What's up guys, Sonny the Badger here, and on today's episode of Fatboy Friday, we are talking bags. Sissy bar bags, luggage. If you're traveling cross country, one thing that you've got to have is really great luggage. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so if it's your first time here, welcome to our channel. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back to our channel. For those of you that don't know, my name is Sonny, and myself, my wife, my kid, we all ride cross country on our bikes. I ride Fat Boys, Mama Badger rides Fat Boys, and Baby Badger actually rides a V-Rod. But anyway guys, a lot of our videos are about riding cross country on Softails. And this one is no different. So in today's video, like I said, we travel cross country all the time, probably about 20,000, 25,000 miles per year. And the one thing that is hugely important is good luggage, right? Because you're taking it on and off the bike, in and out of hotel rooms, and it endures all types of weather, right? Rain, cold, heat, because we're in Florida, sun, and all of those things can deteriorate your bag, which we learned with our first bags. I actually have a short clip here of us throwing our old bags away, and I went over them briefly. They worked fine. We had them for about 5 years, but in the video, you'll see why we chose, well, one of the reasons we chose the bags we did. So I'm gonna flip you to that, and then I'm gonna bring you back and I'm gonna go over the bag we bought and why, or at least some of the points of why we bought it. Here you go. All right guys, so while we were in Daytona for Bike Week, we decided to upgrade our bags. We've had these bags for, I've had mine for like 5 years, 100,000 miles. That one's got 100,000 miles on it too. They've been pretty good bags, but we actually upgraded to Nelson Rigg bags, and one of the big reasons, they're lifetime warranted. So I'll show you those bags right after I get done with these. But anyway, this is Mama Badger's bag here. Like I said, she's used it for years. It's been really good. The biggest issue, see this strap? All the straps basically rotted out. I'm sure from the weather. And then of course you see these were once black and now they're like this light gray. Same exact thing with mine. It was black and now it's all gray. All the straps back here that strapped it on, they all basically broke off. And so we kind of had to make our own. You can see some of them dangling here. But I mean, that was the biggest issue with them. Otherwise, they've been great, man. They've been in and out of hotels all over the country, and pretty decent bags. But we just went with the Nelson Rigg because lifetime warranty. We know we're gonna use the crap out of them, so we might as well have that warranty. So I'm gonna do a video on the Nelson Rigg bags, and then we'll do a review after we've used them for a while. Anyway guys, stay tuned for the Nelson Rigg bags. See you soon. Hi guys, so those were our old bags, and like I said, those bags actually worked great for like 6 years. So we can't complain. They're like maybe $150. Not expensive bags, but you saw the things that I mentioned did happen. The straps broke on them years ago, so I actually had taken carabiners, hooked them into the loops on the bag, and kind of made my own straps for it, which worked fine, just not that convenient, right? And then you could see the color, the discoloration. It completely changed. It went from black to like a gray. And as I was talking to the people that we bought our new bags off of, they were saying that was one sign of deterioration of the material, was that it was changing colors. So I could definitely see that, like I said, with the straps and everything, because you just grab one and it would just break. So, like I said, those bags were great. I have zero complaints, but we did switch bags, and I'd already kind of picked them out. We ended up getting Nelson Rigg bags. Now, I had already kind of picked out Nelson Rigg as the bag that I wanted. We went to Daytona and we met up with Deb, who works for them, and she got to go over the bag with us, which made me that much more sure that is exactly the bags that we wanted for our bikes. So we ended up buying 2 of them. I haven't used them that long, so this isn't really a review, although I used them on the way back from Daytona, and then a buddy of mine liked it so much, I sold him the one I had and I ordered another one for myself because he was headed back to Nebraska and he needed a bag. So we got him hooked up with a Nelson Rigg bag as well. So a few points I want to point out to you when looking at bags. Any bag, these are just the things I've learned over the years using these bags and things that I would recommend you look for when you're buying a bag. All right, guys, so first things first. I did buy the Nelson Rigg Route 1 series bag for my bike. I bought it. They did not give it to me. It is not sponsored. Just wanted to get that out of the way. Most people say that. Not that it really matters, because I'm going to give you my opinion either way. But anyway, we did buy them. We did pay for them. Couple of really important things. This bag looks almost identical to the bag that I had before this bag. So I really like the look of it from the get-go. But some of the important things. Very first thing, this bag's lifetime warranty. So if I have strap issues, if I have material issues, lifetime warranty. That was one of our biggest deciding factors, was we know that we're going to use the heck out of these all over the country, in and out of hotel rooms, and they're going to get all the wear and tear. So if a company is willing to stand behind their product and say, hey, it's lifetime warranty, I think that's a definite sign that they make a good quality product. Some of the other things that are hugely important. My old bag, I could access the top. But whatever I put in the top had to stay in the top, and I had to unzip this to access the bottom. Well, the problem with that is if this is sitting on your bike and your sissy bar is here and you go to lift this up, it's pushing into your sissy bar and it doesn't give you the room to lift this up and get the stuff you need out of it. This one has a zipper in here where I can actually unzip it and I can go all the way through to the bottom and I don't have to lift this up. Guys, I know that seems like a small thing, but when you're on the road in a parking lot trying to dig something out of your bag, it can get pretty frustrating. So the more access points you have to get inside your bag and get stuff out, the better off you are. Another feature this bag has that my old one didn't. My old one had this front pocket, but around the front pocket is another access point into the bag. So I could be on the back of the bag. Remember, this is sticking out the back side of my bike, and I could unzip this and I can get access to whatever I have in my bag instead of trying to have to dig in through the top of the bag. Again, I know, sounds like little things, but those little things can mean a lot when you're out on the road. Another big thing, most of these bags come with a water-resistant cover. And what I mean by water resistant is they're not waterproof. If you're in a lot of rain, you'll get to the hotel and your bag will be wet and your clothes in it will also be wet. Nothing is more frustrating than being soaking wet, getting into your hotel, taking off your clothes, wanting to put dry clothes on, and they're all soaking wet too. So one of the things they definitely have is a waterproof bag that goes over the top of this. Here is their waterproof bag. And you can tell it is good and thick, and it also has great ways to mount it. So it has 4 straps that go down underneath your luggage rack. Those 4 straps actually run through this bag to hold it in place. My old bag, they had drawstrings. So you put it over the bag, you would tighten up the drawstrings, and then personally, I would take bungee cords and I would wrap it around the bag to make sure that it held in place. These, nice, neat, and they connect right into the bag. The other thing is the ease of connecting the bag to the bike. and then how secure it is once it's on the bag. So this bag has 2 Velcro straps. Here's the kicker. One straps from this direction, the other one straps from this direction. So it actually hugs the sissy bar. The one I had before, all 3 went the same direction. So sometimes the bag would kind of lean on the bike. And then it didn't have any straps that went down underneath. I had put my own on it, but it didn't come with any of those. This one has 4 straps. You can see there also has a little holder for the extra strap pieces up here, but it has 4 straps on all 4 corners. So you can go down to your luggage rack, strap it up, pull it tight. And that's also what your waterproof hood connects to as well. Another feature this bag has that my old bag didn't is it actually has an extra zipper. And that extra zipper actually allows this bag to expand even deeper to hold more stuff. Because inevitably, you can leave with this fully packed, and by the time you get back, you're gonna be overpacked because you stop at dealerships, you pick up t-shirts, you pick up stuff along the way. So this bag actually allows you to expand it so you can fit more stuff in it. All right, guys, so that was just a quick rundown of my new Nelson Rigg bag. I will do a full review once I've taken a few trips on it. We've got a lot of riding to do this summer, so I'll get to use it more and more, and I'll get more familiar with it, and I'll be able to give you a true review of the product. But that's kind of a precursor of, you know, what I know about it. I have used it a little bit. It's worked great. I've also used that rain cover and it kept everything dry. So far, it has been a great bag. Like I said, Mama Badger and myself both have them. Baby Badger actually has a smaller version that goes on her V-Rod. She's had it for about a year now and she really likes it. It's the one that she used on the World Record Poker Run. So she went through hot, cold, rain. It kept everything nice and dry, which was one of the reasons that really pointed me toward Nelson Rigg as well, because I saw hers and it just worked exceptionally well, and it was good quality. So the last thing you want when you're on a road trip, right, is zippers breaking and straps breaking and anything to add to the hassle of your luggage. So remember, you got to take this luggage on and off, on and off, on and off. If you travel like we do, because we put all of our clothes and everything in the bag. We just unstrap it from the bike, carry it into wherever we're staying the night, carry it back out the next day, strap it on. This year, we're fortunate. We've added 2 hard saddlebags to both our bikes. So we're gonna have more room than we've ever had, which I'm stoked for. That makes it a little easier for carrying tools and everything else that I need to carry. But anyway, guys, it's that simple to make your Softail its very own bagger. So if you prefer riding a Softail like I do, nothing wrong with the baggers. I just like the Softails. So why not make it function for what you need it to function for? Guys, anyway, thank you so much for watching today. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. You can ring the bell icon. It'll notify you every time we upload a new video. And remember, guys, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride. See you soon.